Hello.
Hi,
Good
good
afternoon.
morning, good afternoon. Yeah, it is already 12 o'clock.
Yes,
So,
I
how is
came back after ages.
really?
Yes.
Where were you?
Um, After completing my subscription,
Mm-hmm.
then I stopped taking sessions from English Shari.
Okay.
Then I was not in discipline. So
Mm-hmm.
after 3 or 4 months back, I thought, okay, we should give a hybrid approach. If I
Okay.
really want to, get a discipline, stay
Mm-hmm.
focused, and want to be a determined, so it's a
So, you
really help.
started, yeah, you started again.
Yes. So today is
Okay.
my third session,
Okay.
third or fourth, I guess.
So, whenever and when you had taken a break, how was your schedule?
Schedule actually, ma'am, I joined some group sessions,
Okay.
like group
Okay.
conversation where,
Mm-hmm.
as you already know, these
Mm-hmm.
days groups are there where all women housewives are talk to each other, and we.
All women, they all talk to each other. They make a group of it, and it could be randomly from anywhere in the world.
Yes, yes.
Really? Okay.
Right, right.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
was in the group. This time
Mm-hmm.
I also, every individual has their own mindset,
True.
right? So if you know that, okay, today I have to do,
Assignment or task, yeah.
stuff, so then you feel, okay, by end of the day, today I have learned 2 words, 3 words, 2 idioms, or I
Mm-hmm.
discussed one topic. So it gives you a, contentment that
Yes, absolutely.
I
I
do.
agree. Totally.
So that's
Okay.
why finally I decided, after discussing with my husband, that should I take
Mm-hmm.
a subscription. Uh,
Okay.
he told me that why you are thinking a lot. If you have buy expensive suit for you, for yourself, then you will think a lot. So why you are
Would you
thinking?
think? Would you think a lot? No, never.
Would you
Never. We
think
just
a
go
lot?
ahead. Yeah.
So
We'll
why
just
you
go
are
ahead in life.
thinking a lot for your self growth?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely right. That's very important that you should give importance to yourself also. You should actually take a lot of interest in you as a person, and it helps.
Hmm.
It
Right.
helps. Right.
So what about you, ma'am? Tell me.
Oh, I have been, we keep moving as we both are retired. So we keep moving from one place to another and we enjoy our life. So going for long drives, wherever we feel that, okay, fine, let's go out. So we go out. So I take a lot of breaks. That is not acceptable,
Oh,
but still, yeah, I'm managing.
right, exact. But it's also, mandatory part of our life.
Yes, it is. So whenever I can squeeze in little bit of time here and there, I start taking my sessions.
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday, I've kept it off because I think that's my me time kind, and I need to finish off whatever the chores are and whatever the pending works are. So all those things we need to do it.
Okay. That's
Yes. So, Meenakshi, today your topic is quite interesting, home remedies. There are now two extremes. One is AI treatment and one is home remedies. So
yes.
just tell me everything about it. What do you think? How AI is going to help and how home remedies are going to cure us?
Okay, sure. I also on
Genuinely believe, okay.
genuinely believe on home remedies actually.
Mhm.
uh, According to me, it's also depends on person to person. If
Mhm.
you are taking a cure while taking home remedies, so I
Mhm.
don't think so that we have to go or visit to doctor, right?
Mhm.
Like if I come to me every day, like early morning, I take one small cardamom, so
Okay.
it gives me healthy digestion throughout the day.
Is it? Is
Yes,
it?
yes,
Okay.
exactly.
I didn't
Because
know this.
actually I had an ulcer problem,
Okay.
and I went through this problem approximately 6 or 7 years.
Okay.
Then I came to know that I had ulcer problem, so that is why I was not getting relief, and
Mm-hmm.
so I went for a colonoscopy. Might you
Okay.
know? So
Mm-hmm.
then I went there, and then doctor told me that you have an ulcer problem. But I also, took a treatment a lot. But then I didn't get any relief from that.
Mm-hmm.
Then, after then I was hospitalized for 5 days. But
Mm-hmm.
again, I didn't get relief from that.
Mm-hmm.
So once I visited a doctor, he suggested me that you have to believe in home remedies.
Okay.
For instance, you can take fruits with peel and
Okay.
some
So
others
more of fibers, so it will
fibers.
flush out your
Huh.
impurities and everything. Okay.
Right.
Mm.
Moreover, you can take, you can add some carom seed in every
Okay.
vegetable, so
Okay.
you can easily, digest.
Digest. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's a
So
good idea.
yes, so
Mm-hmm.
that's why since then I believe
So,
in.
what were the symptoms? You said that you had ulcer, and because of ulcers, did you get a lot of acidity? What
Yes.
happened actually? Okay.
Yes, acidity, and I didn't feel appetite throughout the day. But
Okay.
whenever I ate, two or my capacity to
Mm-hmm.
eat only two chapatis. But
Mm-hmm.
sometimes when other one, yeah, even my mother, makes chapati for me. Sometimes I have a hunger
One,
of one
another one.
chapati. So if I take one another chapati, so it gives me a nausea after some
Mm-hmm.
time.
Nausea. Okay, nausea will happen, and because of that, the acidity and the even you start burping a lot.
Right.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
that was the some certain reasons. So
Okay.
yes. So now, since I started having small cardamom early
Mm-hmm.
morning, yes, we have to take home remedies constantly,
Yeah.
right? If I quit in the midway, or if I take only
No,
for
it will not be. It will not give you the results.
it will not give the result. So
Hmm.
that is why I believe in constantly we should take, or we should
Yeah,
have.
you should be consistent and you should be very positive about it. Whenever you start taking do or doing this home remedies, you should have a belief that yes, whatever I'm taking, it is going to help me, it is going to cure me, it is going to be good for my health. So
Right.
if all these positivities and you have the belief, then it will be cured for sure.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So belief is also there.
Belief is there. It is utmost important in any kind of treatment.
Hmm.
Any kind of treatment. It could be you go to AI, you go to doctors, you go to any operation. Everything is in your mind. You
Right,
need to be very positive.
right. But some people, old generation, I consider them, that they believe still, they believe like our grandparents, they believe a lot. If you
Mm-hmm.
say that, oh, and even they suggest us also that if
Mm-hmm.
you take any kind of medication or home remedies while believing on that, then you will get relief. Otherwise, it will not work better for you.
No, it will not. It will not. Sincerely, like if you would have gone for the operation, if you would have, if not this whatever the remedy you have started, cardamom recipe, if not, then what would have happened?
Yes.
If you just analyze that uh, thought in your mind, you will come to know, okay, fine, yeah, I'm better off now.
Right. And ma'am, it's not only for this thing like home remedies or
Mm-hmm.
doctor. Any other, if we have belief, like if I have a positive attitude in learning, if I have a positive attitude in anything, after
Hmm.
that I can take a result,
Hmm.
not before. Like if I
Yeah.
about the English, like these
Mm-hmm.
days I am learning, but some days when I feel demotivated, then after 1 hour or 2 hour, I say, okay, there is nobody is perfect.
Hmm.
Perfection is no.
True. I totally agree that this is very important that you should have a positive mindset. Like just now you said that you start learning, you start rehearsing, you start doing storytelling and everything, and then you feel, am I good? Am I doing any thing different? No, then you will just sit down and brood, and you will just not be doing the justice to your English or either to yourself. But
Right.
then if you do it, if you take interest, if you do everything, and you feel that even if one person can be changed or it can be helped by someone, why not? If you can reach
Yes.
out to someone, someone can be helped through you. It's the best thing you have done it for the society,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
what I was saying.
Yes. So tell me, what do you think of AI in the medical field?
Like there is a connection
Hmm.
whenever we visit to any doctor. They
Yeah.
suggest us there is a physical attachment, I could say.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So where you can get the relief. If I say okay, I
That
can.
emotional connect is there with the doctor.
Yes, emotional
Mm.
connection. So if you don't have, I don't think so, like in today's era, like people are completely rely on AI,
Hmm.
right? If I say okay, if I will take this one medicine, and the one case happened just few days back.
Mhm.
One of my friends, she gave medicine to her daughter without consulting the doctor, and it backfired her.
Oh
What
God.
happened? It She had a little cough and cold,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
it affects her small intestine.
Yeah. Hmm.
So then he got operated, and she was in ICU for
She got
15
operated.
days.
He or she?
Yes,
Okay. Oh
she got
God.
operated. Yes, and she was hospitalized for 1 month approximately because she didn't consult with the doctor.
Oh God.
So that was the reason. So then I thought, okay, we should
Hmm.
we have a minor problem, like when we go to doctor for severe problem, or if we have a terrible pain, that time we have to go, right? But
Hmm.
even for
Hmm.
a minor problem, we should first
Hmm.
consult to
Hmm.
doctor before taking any medicine from chemist shop even.
Hmm. 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 And it is true, but then in case of, say, simple fever or some headache or something, some stomach ache, or it could be a little bit of tummy upset. In those cases, I think if you rely on the normal paracetamols and everything, it is fine. But
Yes.
always, if you are going ahead with the antibiotics, you should go and consult your doctor. Then only you should take it. Because that dosage is very important. How much you need to take it, how frequently you need to take it, all those things are very important for you. So, how
Right.
old is this
Right.
girl which you are talking about?
She's only 2 years old, 2 or 2.5 years old.
Oh, oh God.
Yes.
Very
So
bad.
it
I mean,
was
her
really
mother would be feeling so bad and guilty. Oh, yeah.
so bad, and she was so panicked whenever I talk to her, and she's
Yeah.
also my group friends actually, and
Okay.
she lives in, I don't know actually, I'm forgetting the city name, but she's living
Mm-hmm.
very far from us. She's my group's friend actually.
Okay. So, again, coming back to home remedies, do you have any other example which you think that should be mentioned and that can really be effective in today's world? Because people are relying on different. What happened? Did you get a call or something?
No,
Okay,
no, no.
I'm trying to open the session material. So we'll just so any such incident if you remember it and if you would like to quote.
Okay. But if I say home remedies work for me a lot, because I
Mm-hmm.
already have taken a lot of medicines,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
so even these days, whenever I have a pain,
Hmm.
in stomach pain and headache, such kind
Hmm.
of minor pains, I
Hmm.
don't believe even I every day, because I have a deviated nasal bone,
Okay.
so I catch with cough and cold every
Very
day.
okay.
Yes, very frequently. Yes, I
Oh.
can say
Oh.
frequently. So I trust in tea with the mixture of ginger, cardamom, big or small both, and
Mm-hmm.
carrot seeds and fennel seeds,
Mm-hmm.
everything I boil it together. And
Mm-hmm.
whenever I have tea, so after that
Mm-hmm.
I get relief within a half an hour or 1 hour. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't take medicine of this problem.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, do you believe that there is a generation gap in terms of home remedies, like as you were just mentioning about it? So, do you feel that generation gap is there in the home remedies?
Right, and these days people are very, very panic, even for a smaller. Even if I come to my daughter,
Mm-hmm.
whenever she suffers from even a minor problem, my husband always tells me, visit a doctor, don't avoid it, visit a doctor. But earlier, means our grandparents, our parents always,
Hmm.
even even the child was crying throughout the day, but after then they didn't believe visit to doctor.
Yes. But do you listen to your parents? Do you ask them that what can I give her instantly so that she can be cured or she can get bit of a relief? Or you straight away take her to the doctor?
Okay, actually I don't know, there was a network glitch.
Yes, that is what I thought so, that you disappeared and then came back. So my question was that your husband, as he asked you to take your daughter to the doctor immediately, uh, do you also go ahead and follow him, or do you ask your parents, or do you ask your grandparents that what can you give her as a home remedy?
Yes, I usually talk to my mother
Mm-hmm.
whenever my daughter suffers from any problem, like should I
Mm-hmm.
take to her to doctor or not.
Should I take her to the hospital or should I take her to the doctor or not? Okay.
So even these days, my daughter has a little bit infection on her
Okay.
head,
Mm-hmm.
like with, small pimples,
Okay.
I could say. Then
Mhm.
yesterday, when I talked to my mother, and she suggested me first you should apply dusting powder that is for
Okay.
infection.
Hmm.
Then let's see for 2 or 3 days. If she will not get better, then you can consult with doctor.
Hmm. 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 Even
So
aloe vera is good for the skin. Aloe vera, just cut the aloe vera and take out a pulp or a little bit of whitish or the transparent thing would come out. So just apply it on your daughter's hand. And it could be because of vitamin A also. Give her a lot of carrots.
okay.
Yes, carrot, because children they feel, I mean, whenever they have little bit of vitamin deficiency,
Hmm.
that time they would start showing all these symptoms. So it could be vitamin A, and that is there in carrots. So try giving her, if she likes carrot, just give her carrots. It will really give a good result.
Okay. Yes, she likes. Sometimes she demands for
Okay.
carrots on
And
her.
this is the season when you can all have carrots.
Right, right. She loves eating
Okay. Yes.
carrots. So whenever she demands for such thing, I never ever neglect. Okay, I will
Yes.
give you later. Why? Because it's a healthy diet. If she
Yes.
demands on her own, so we should
So
absolutely.
how old is your daughter?
She crossed her 5 years. Now she's
Okay.
5 years and 3 months.
Mm-hmm. And is she enjoying her childhood? Is she going to school? Has she picked up any game?
Yes, every day now these days I always try to play with her like such
Okay.
some cognitive activities. I play
Mm-hmm.
with her because
Okay.
it's stimulate my mind and I can
Yes.
help her also. So
Yeah.
every day I like some days there is some of other
Mhm.
responsibility
Yeah.
I have to miss, but I try to go and play such cognitive activities with her.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I would say every alternate day.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, there are some games. If there is no game coming into my mind, I take help
Mm-hmm.
from YouTube.
Okay.
What kind of activities are there? Like, we can play with our children. So,
Okay.
yes, just few days back, I played one activity. There, we have to just, draw the arrows,
Okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
here is the direction of arrow. She just has to move there. So,
Okay.
yes, she
So
enjoyed.
right and left and try showing her the, yes, that you can do it.
Yes. So
But then, does she play any outdoor games?
yes, outdoor games means not with other children, because I live in
Okay.
the Gurdwara Sahib. There are,
Mm-hmm.
no such
No
facility.
such children are there. Okay.
So, but at 8 p.m. every day, like at night, she
Mm-hmm.
goes to the Gurdwara Sahib, and there are some other children with
Okay.
whom she plays.
She plays. Okay. That's nice. That's good.
Yes.
So, did you go anywhere for the vacation? Could you go? No. No
Not for
vacation.
vacations, like we visit to the Gurdwara Sahib. So
Okay.
there she can enjoy.
And
And
yes.
even my in-laws live in the Karnal.
Mm-hmm.
So there we have to go twice or thrice a year. So
Okay.
like they live in the village area. So she
Mm-hmm.
enjoys a lot while going there.
Yes, and even in the village, she would enjoy because she would have a lot of and even in Gurdwara, you will have open
Yes.
space, and she can play around, and you can do that.
And every
That's
Sunday I go to park also.
very
Every
good, very
yes.
good. You must give her that exposure also,
Yes.
because that is very much required.
Right. Even
Yes,
yesterday, I was listening that no matter your children is playing with the other childrens, but parents should enjoy with their children at least, half an hour or 15 minutes every day.
yes,
It's a
yes,
requirement of children where you can play, and mother and father both will be available, and
hmm,
your children will feel okay. I have my safest place here.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So there is another game called Scrabble. Get that board game and start playing with her because she's 5 years old. She'll start making the words also. So give her. It's a very nice game. As you said that your husband, yourself, and your daughter can play. Your daughter, for time being, can be with you for some time, and then you both can have a good word making competition. And whoever wins, it will be a nice game for 1 or 2 hours. It goes on,
Okay.
I think you will enjoy it. The game is called Scrabble, and it's a good game.
Okay, I wasn't aware of it, but definitely I will try.
Yes, just try it. It would be available online. Online, everything is available now, so you would enjoy. And storytelling to your daughter. Every day you make her read a story, or you tell her a story or narrate one.